I'm cutting across to big breaking coming in. Doda encounter. One more terrorist has been eliminated. A total of 3 terrorists neutralized so far. Hunt on for one more terrorist. As per sources, a total of 4 terrorists who are hiding on the hills in Doda district, of which 3 terrorists have been eliminated. Anti-terror operations that still continue. The Doda terror strike, at this point, the terrorists have been encountered. 3 of them have been neutralized. The hunt is on now for one more. Let me quickly cut across to Farid, our correspondent, joining us live from Jammu and Kashmir. Farid, please give us more details. We hear that these terrorists were lurking around the hill areas in Doda district. 3 of them neutralized. Search is on for one more.
Yes, that's right. If you remember, last 15 days, the security forces have been doing intense search and combing operation in the Doda Hills, to be precise, in the Gando forest area. And this morning, they met success as they managed to corner at least 3 to 4 very heavily armed militants deep inside the forest area. And in fact, they were hiding in a nomadic hut. The special forces, that's the paracommandos, the army, police, were on job, and in the ensuing encounter, 3 have been eliminated. I can confirm it to you. Sophisticated M4 American rifles, other ammunition has been recovered, and right now the search and sanitization operation is on. Now, this is a very significant operation because as far as counter operations in the Jammu side are concerned, the security forces had not met with a lot of success till today, and finally they managed to dent the operational capability of the PAFF, because by all indications these 3 could be part of the People's Anti-Fascist Front, which is considered to be the shadow of Jaish-e-Mohammed, because sophisticated M4 rifles, which is their trademark, their commanders use it, have been recovered from the encounter spot. And as I said, right now search and sanitization operation is on, because they suspect that one more could be lurking around. He could be hiding in the forest area, and to get him,
well, these are the same terrorists, made we believe, who entered a clash with, they were basically, there was extensive clash between these terrorists and the army personnel in the valley. They are responsible for the recent terror attacks along the region there. 3 of them have been neutralized, 1 of them still absconding. Thanks very much, Farid. We're going to continue tracking those details.